Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix volume control button not working on Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max. So in order to fix it, the first thing that you can do is to check if you have a software update for the remote available. For that, you need to use your remote or the Fire TV app and to go to settings on your Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Then select controllers and Bluetooth device. After that, you need to select Amazon Fire TV remotes, then select your remote from the list. If an update is available, you can install it. After the restart of your Fire TV Stick 4K, you just have to unplug the power cord or adapter for 3 seconds and then plug it back in. Using your Fire TV remote on your Fire TV, go to settings, then select equipment control, then select manage equipment and then select add equipment and choose the equipment you would like to add. If the remote doesn't even work to turn the volume up and down while using the Fire Stick, in the stick settings you just have to turn CEC settings off. To resolve volume issues, you can try to restart your device or check the device connections. You need to make sure that the TV isn't muted. Press the volume up button on the Fire TV remote to increase the volume and make sure that the device is up to date. So you just have to follow these instructions and these steps in order to fix the volume control button not working problem on Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.